And that's how we are done with the most awkward part of the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then keep on watching the video. You may like something, you may subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So as you know from the title that today I'm going to talk about hair removal, and now this is something which has been talked about so many times, but people still have so many confusion about shaving, about waxing, about so many other things. So I have jotted down all the points here once again, and I'm going to talk about how I remove my body hair, which can help other people, be it a boy or a girl. Anybody can remove their hair, right? Anybody wants to, if anybody wants to, right? So if you don't like to shave or wax, that's totally up to you. I support you. I am like you. Yeah. And if you do remove your hair, and if you want to switch from wax to shave, or if you still have confusion which parts of the body you can shave or not and stuff like that, I'm going to cover all that in this video. If you want to know more, keep watching the video. Okay. So shaving class 101. We are mammals and we have body hairs which we cannot deny. पहले सिर्फ लड़कियों पे प्रेशर होता था कि you have to remove your body hair to look more feminine. Now there is a pressure on the guys as well to remove their body hairs and stuff like that. So yeah, like, it's a personal choice. I'm not saying that you have to remove your hair or you should not remove your hair. Like, this is a total personal choice. I'm going to make this video very crisp to the point because I know मेरी videos बहुत long हो जाती हैं, no matter how hard I try. So the first is arms and legs. Okay. So for legs and arms, there is this very 4 simple step procedure which I follow, which has helped me and which I think is really good. The first step is to oil your body really well. What it does, it provide your body moisture. ठीक है, you can use any sort of oil, olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, और जो भी oils होते हैं, जो भी तुम्हें use करना है तुम कर सकते हो, just so that your skin is highly moisturized. Then I take a loofah, I put body shower on it, or like, do not use soap for shaving because soaps tend to make your skin very dry and hard, and after you shave you feel itchy, and then you'll be like, I'm not going to shave my body again ever. No, so that's why I'm saying don't use soap, go for body shower. अलग से Gillette की creams भी आती हैं, shaving creams, you can use them. People use conditioner, but conditioners are, I guess, hell expensive. I mean, why would you use conditioner? I don't use conditioner because yeah, it's for hair and it's expensive. Please, you can use that, and after your loofah has scrubbed your skin really well, you then start going in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Like, मेरे बाल अगर ऐसे आते हैं तो मैं ऐसे शेव करूँगी, अगर मेरे बाल ऐसे आते होते तो मैं ऐसे शेव करती. Like, go in the opposite direction. Okay, for example, if you go for waxing in the parlors, they also do the same thing. They apply the wax, they pull it out in the opposite direction. Why? Because that's how it works. Okay, so that is the very simple procedure I use. And after that, post your shaving, do not ever try to skip the moisturization part. You can use aloe vera gel, you can use any body moisturizers you get in the market, you can make one at home, you can apply oil, you can do anything but moisturize your skin. Because जब आप shave करते हो ना, so the first dead skins of your cell also get removed, and there is a fresh skin, and if you do not care about that fresh skin, that's going to irritate. Okay, and उसकी वजह से आपको itching, like you start feeling itchiness, and then you end up getting rashes. This is personally I felt just after your shave. Do not forget to moisturize, be it any body part, moisturize. So recently after the lockdown, पहले मैं कटोरी वैक्स कराती थी अपने upper lips के लिए, and eyebrows तो मतलब झेलनी पड़ती हैं. तो I used to go in the parlors, I used to tell them कि मुझे कटोरी वैक्स कराना है, and that was least torturous way of removing hair from your face for me. I never go for full face hair removal. I really don't know why, but I don't like that. Like, मुझे ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं लगता कि पूरे face में इतने बाल हैं कि मुझे हटाने की ज़रूरत है, ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा. So just वो भी upper lips भी लोग बोल बोल के इतना awkward feel करा देते हैं कि करवाने पड़ते हैं, भाई चलो करवा लेते हैं. तो सो कटोरी वैक्स से थोड़ा दर्द होता था, लेकिन वो एक बारी में निकल जाती थी, तो वो जो करते रहते हैं ना वो वैसा नहीं होता था, मतलब उससे तो मुझे मेरी जान निकल जाती थी, मैं ख़त्म भी नहीं कर पाती थी कई बार वो पूरा प्रोसीजर, वो जो थ्रेड से होता है। देन कोरोना मतलब लाइक जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स फैमिली वगैरह सब है, सबको पता ही है दैट आई एम टू स्कैर्ड ऑफ कोरोना वायरस एंड द आउटब्रेक एंड स्टफ विच इज़ हैपनिंग आउट देयर। सो मैंने नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग पार्लर, नो। सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग parlor. So I knew that you can shave your face, but I was very skeptical because you know how people are कि हार्ड बाल आते हैं, आदमियों जैसी ग्रोथ आएगी, बियर्ड आ जाएगा और पता नहीं क्या क्या हो जाएगा, एंड आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड। ओके फाइन, मतलब ऐसा कभी मेरे लेग्स के साथ तो नहीं हुआ है, बट फाइन इफ़ यू से सो। तो आई नेवर वेंट फॉर शेविंग माई फेस, बट इन दिस लॉकडाउन आई वाज लाइक फक इट यार, आई जस्ट कांट रिस्क माई लाइफ फॉर माई हेयर, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेव इट। सो I ordered this Tinkle razor. This is my first razor and I have used it twice since then and it has worked super fine. The growth is absolutely normal. अभी हमें घर पे ही रहना है. Just to maintain your personal hygiene you can use this one and कोई हार्ड बाल नहीं आते हैं. एटलीस्ट मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं हुआ कि मेरे हार्ड बाल आ रहे हैं या मेरी बहुत एक्सटेंसिव ग्रोथ हो रही है. नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ हैपेंड. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट अप्लाई एन ऑइंटमेंट और लाइक एलोवेरा जेल और समथिंग सो दैट योर रेजर स्लाइड ऑन योर स्किन वेरी ईजिली. क्या होता है ना, इफ़ यू आर वेरी निब्बी लाइक मी इन दिस शेविंग प्रोसेस, so you may end up cutting yourself, which is not a good thing to happen. For that purpose I'm telling you, apply aloe vera gel and then slightly with very slow gentle strokes remove your hair. Nothing will happen. That's the procedure I use to remove my face and my body hair. For my armpits I use wheat wax strip. Now I'll tell you why. तो जब हम पूरा bald होने के बाद जो नए बाल आते हैं ना, वो भी कुछ दिन तक आपको hard feel होते हैं, but then again they are the normal hair. But initially लगता है कि वो hard है. So वैसे ही armpit के बाल जो होते हैं ना, वो मुझे मतलब बर्दाश्त नहीं होते हैं जब मैं shave कर लेती हूँ. I don't know, it's just उनसे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन होती है. सो फॉर दैट टू अवॉइड दैट, लाइक हाथों पे तो कोई फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा, लेकिन आर्मपिट्स में फ्रिक्शन के चांसेस हैं. सो दैट्स वाई आई यूज़ व्हीट वैक्स स्ट्रिप्स. बट आई डू नॉट वेट फॉर एक्सटेंसिव हेयर ग्रोथ. थोड़ी सी भी माइल्ड हेयर ग्रोथ होती है तो आई जस्ट यूज़ देयर वैक्स स्ट्रिप्स फॉर माई आर्मपिट्स एंड आई एम सॉर्टेड फॉर लाइक 1 month. Seriously, for my armpits I use wheat wax strips. For the rest of my body I use razor blades and stuff. Also, if you want really smooth finishing wala shaving experience, you can go for 5 blade razor. I guess Gillette का एक purple shaving women razor आता है, तो that is the 5 blade one and that is really nice. That will help you to prevent you from cutting yourself while you are shaving. Always go by gentle strokes. Do not hurry, which we do. मतलब ऐसा कभी मुझे लगता नहीं है किसी लड़की का एक्सपीरियंस होगा कि उसने शेव किया और उसने कोई एक आधा पार्ट कट ना किया हो, बट हाँ कुछ मेजर ना हो, इसके लिए ऑलवेज गो फॉर जेंटल स्ट्रोक्स. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रिपोर्ट दैट दे हैव इनग्रोन हेयर problem if when they shave. So for that you need to scrub your body. That's why I used loofah in the beginning. So if you're facing ingrown hair in your body, you can get body scrubs. Market में बहुत सारे मिलते हैं. You can also make a body scrub at home using coffee, sugar and virgin oil, or you can use body butters, or you can use coconut oil. Like okay, so उससे भी आप अपना एक scrub स्क्रब पर्सनली बना सकते हो, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमूव योर ingrown hair while scrubbing. Scrub. One more thing which I want to tell you guys is that always, like, once you're done with your shaving process, always keep your razor back in the packaging you got it. Like, कभी ध्यान से सोचना कि वो ऐसे क्यों नहीं मिलते हैं razors, why they are not available like openly, because their blades tends to oxidize. So if you don't want your razors to get oxidized, so आप उसको वापस उसी लिफाफे में डाल के पैक करके रख लो. ओके कई बार मैंने सुना है कि लोग शेव करते हैं तो यहाँ बाल रह जाते हैं, घुटने के पास बाल रह जाते हैं. यू नीड टू बेंड योर नीज टू गेट स्मूथ फिनिश अराउंड योर लाइक नी एरिया एंड योर एल्बो एरिया. आई ऑल्सो यूज़ एंड थ्रो वाले शेविंग रेजर्स, बट मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आई डू नॉट शेव माई बॉडी every other week or every other day. I clean my body once and then for months I don't care about anything, and then there is an event which I need to attend or there is something I need to wear, so I again go through the hassle. But if you are somebody who, you know, like to keep their body clean every, like, all the time, so you can invest into a good razor which will last long than these use and throw ones, because मेरे use and throw वाले razors भी काफ़ी चल जाते हैं. And एक और myth what I have observed that people say that do not shave daily, do not shave weekly, monthly. You can do as you want, as depend on your hair growth. कोई शर्माने वाली बात नहीं है इसमें. हर किसी की हेयर ग्रोथ डिफरेंट होती है, इंडियंस की तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव बॉडी हेयर, यू वांट टू शेव, यू कैन शेव एनी टाइम यू वांट. डू नॉट थिंक कि वीकली नहीं होना चाहिए, मंथली नहीं होना चाहिए, डेली नहीं करना चाहिए, मंडे ट्यूसडे थर्सडे को नहीं करना चाहिए. People generally tell me that they face their skin getting darkened after shaving or stuff. वैसे ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है, but I think because you are shaving, your dead skin is getting removed and you're not moisturizing it, so I think your skin is not reacting well to that. So for that you can use natural DIYs like Upton जो आता है, you can use it on your armpits, you can use it on your body parts, not down there, no, on your rest of the body parts. Okay, so you can use natural DIYs that the Upton haldi, बेसन, शहद, नींबू और दही के साथ जो बनाते हैं हम लोग फेस के लिए. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ अंडर फॉर योर आर्मपिट्स एंड फॉर योर लाइक हैंड्स एज वेल. इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग दैट you are getting, your skin is getting pigmented because of shaving, you can definitely use that one. And it is also a really nice scrubber. Also, I want to talk about something. Just like your rest of the body, your areola also have hair follicles. Like your breast also have hair follicles, and some of the people, or like majority of the women, do end up getting hair around their breast. So if you wanna shave them, you can, but do not pluck it because they are not extensive hair growth. That's the hair growth, like that's 1 2 3 4 hairs around your breast. So you can go for very gentle shaving, or you can use scissor to cut them off. I am saying no to plucking because it leads to infection, so nobody wants that. And yeah, and that's how we are done with the most awkward part of the video. One last thing which I want to mention about hair shaving and stuff is that I am shaving from almost like 3-4 years, and I've never noticed that my hair growth is any different than the waxing wala growth. Okay, there's nothing wrong between waxing and shaving. It's up to you what you wanna opt for. So कई बार क्या होता है कि शाम को हमें पता चलता है कि कल कुछ इवेंट है और उसके लिए हमें कुछ पहनना होता है, लेकिन we don't have parlors open after 8. So that for those events I'm guiding you, like it's personal choice. I do not bash those people who use waxing ki, oh my god, it's 2020, you still do use wax, you still don't shave. It's totally your choice. बाल हटाने भी नहीं हटाने, that is also your choice. I'll try to insert the pictures of me shaving my body parts, like जितना मेरे घर वाले allowed करते हैं उस हिसाब से. So I cannot show you entirely, obviously. Also follow me on Instagram if you are new here. I do post such things there also, and I'm really active on Instagram, so it'll be fun for you and me. Shameless self-promotion. So yeah, with that we are done with this video. I hope you find it helpful. I hope it was fun for you hanging out with me on this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below what is the myth you have heard about shaving, whether you like to shave or you like to wax or anything. I would be happy to listen from you people, and I'll see you next week. Bye. My birthday is coming. So share this video with a lot of your friends and give me a birthday present of 3,000 subscribers. How needy I sound sometimes. Bye.